Hey, one and all, welcome back. Glad you're here to read again. Let's look at some closed compound words. These words, we are going to have two words joining together, no space between them. These words, each of them, have their own meaning. When we join them together to make one whole word, that word is going to have its own new meaning. Are you ready to learn these words? I hope you are. Our compound words today, all of them, they are going to begin with the word. Let's see what that word is. Look at the picture. Can you tell? Let's sound it out. S, n. Put them together. Sn. Sn. O and W. In this word, we hear O. O. Sn. O. Sn. O. Snow. 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 Let's hear you say the word. All right. Let's now look at our first word. Remember this word? Sn. Sn. O and W in this word. O. Sn. O. Snow. Now let's sound out the next word that we are going to join snow to. L. Let's join them together. Fl. E's at the end and it is silent. So we are going to hear the vowel call its own name. A. A. Fl. A. Fl. A. Fl. A. Flake. 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 Let's now put the two words together. Snow, flake. Let's now call the whole word. Snowflake, snowflake, snowflake. Can you see the snowflake? During this season, it is very snowy. Or we have lots of snow in some parts of the world. Can you remember the word again? Oh, snow. Let's now sound out the word that we are going to join to this word to make a longer word. B. I and R together. B. And our final sound. D. B. D. B. D. B. Bird. 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 Let's now join the two words together. Snow, bird. Snow, bird. Let's hear you say it. Snowbird. 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 Can you see the snowbird? I guess you can. All right. Let's remember the word. Oh, snow. Let's now sound out the word that we are going to join to it. B. This A, we are going to hear the schwa sound. O, B, O, and then 2L together. L. Let's now put it all together. B, O, L, B, O, L, B, O, L. Ball, ball, ball. Can you see this small word? All. B. All. Ball. Let's put the two words now together. Snowball. Let's call it one more time. Snowball. Let's hear you say it. Snowball. Can you remember this word? By now I'm sure you can, without sounding. Sn. Oh, snow. Snow? Snow what? Let's see the next word. Ah. Ma. Man. 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 Can you see the small word an? An. Man. So what is our word? Let's put the two together. Snow man. Snow man. Now let's call it as one whole word. Snowman. 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 Look, look, look. Can you spot the snowman? What color is its hat? All right, by now we know this word. Sn. Oh, sn. Oh, snow. Snow. Let's call the word that we are going to join to it. Let's sound it out. B. Let's now put O along with A and R together. O, O, O. Let's go. B. Old. B. Old. B. Odd. Bored. So whenever you see this combination O, A, R together, always remember that you're going to hear one sound. You're going to hear O, O, B, old, B, old, bored. Let's now put the two words together. Snow, board, snow, board, snowboard, 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 snowboard. All right, that's how you call it as one whole word. Snowboard, snowboard, snowboard. Good job. Would you like to ride a snowboard? Or I should ask, have you ever rode a snowboard before? All right, let's go to this one now. I'm sure you can remember this word by now. Snow. Sn and O, snow. And then we have this part. We have called this word before. So this is a review of the word. Let's go. B. We're going to hear the schwa sound. O, and then l. B. O, l, b. O, l. Ball. Put it together. Snowball. 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 All right. How about this one? Can you remember this word? Snow. Sn and O, snow. Let's now call the word that we are going to add to it. S, t. Put them together as a blend. St. O. O and R together. O. And then st. Storm. 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 Snow. Storm. Snow. Storm. Let's put the whole word together. Snowstorm. 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 Have you ever experienced a snowstorm? What was it like? Or have you ever seen one on TV or in a book? Alright, let's go ahead, and this is our final word, and this is a very easy one. Let's look at it. Remember our word? Sn and O, snow. Let's blend this one together. K, a, ka, t, k, a, ka, t, ka, t, cat. Let's put the two words together. Snow, cat, snow, cat, snow, cat, snowcat, 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 snowcat. All right. So, I hope that you will practice these words and that you can remember them. They would come in very handy because now the season, in some places, it's snowy. And so they would be using these words. And you would want to use them too because of the season. All right, thank you for studying these words with me. And I hope that I would see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you haven't done so, please subscribe.